Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to have a short tutorial on ways in which to record your screen using your MacBook Pro. Without much further ado, let's get into it. But before we do that, please kindly like, share and subscribe for you not to miss more of my videos. Now, today we're going to have a small tutorial on how to record your screen using a MacBook Pro. And in this lesson, we're going to use what we call a QuickTime Player to be able to do exactly that. So without much further ado, let's get into it. So using your MacBook, you just go to the search tab and you just type Q, you just find the QuickTime Player over there. So once you're there, you just come here and say File and go to New Screen Recording. So down there you're going to find some few icons. So this is if you want to capture the whole screen, in which you're going to do exactly that. So also here you also have capture selected window, and then here capture a selected portion. So for example, if you click that, you'll find you can be able to move this the way you want. Here you can be able to adjust accordingly how you want this to be. Yeah. But in this case, you're going to capture our entire screen. So you're going to leave it at that. But before doing that, you're supposed to come and say where you want to save your video once, or rather your tutorial once you're done with it. So in this case, you're going to select desktop. Yeah, and then down here you also have timer. That is if you want to time your video. That is, we have 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Yeah, you can also select, if you want to also to show your mouse pointer, you can also select that. Yeah, and then you're good to go. So and then you just hit record button. So once that is done, you'll be able to see a stop and play button over there. So once you're done recording, you just press that and you're okay.